Hi, hello, welcome to B Manjula's Kitchen. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Today I am going to show you how to make Moong Dal Kheer. First, you should take 1 cup of Moong Dal, 1 cup of dry coconut, grated one, 1 cup of jaggery, 2 spoon of poppy seeds, 1 spoon of ghee, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, dry fruits, cooked moong dal. First, take a jar, add grated coconut, add poppy seeds, add cardamom powder, add water. Take a pan, put jaggery, add little water, let it get melt. Now the jaggery is melted. Take another bowl. Keep it aside gently. Keep it another bowl. Filter the jaggery melted one. Add cooked moong dal. Add 1 spoon of ghee. Add dry fruits, stir it well. If required, add water and stir it well for 5 minutes. Add the grinded one, cook for 5 minutes, stir it well. Now it is get boiling, it is ready to serve. Now the moong dal is ready to eat.